Large numbers. Spiral learning. Knowing about large numbers more than 9,999. Comparing numbers. Rounding off numbers. Roman numbers. Integrated learning. Read the given information and write the numerals for the given number names. This is the photo of Lata Mangeshkar. She is a very famous Indian singer. She has sung nearly 25,000 songs. 25,000. Diu is a union territory of India. The population here in 2011 was 52,074. This photo shows our planet Earth and its natural satellite Moon. The average distance between them is 3,84,403 km. Now, try to answer the following questions. 1. How many digits are there in the numerals above? 5. Or 6 digits. How can we show these numbers on the abacus? Do we need to add more place values on left side of thousands? Yes. Numbers after 9,999. We know that 9,999 is the greatest 4-digit number. Now, let us see what number we get by adding 1 to it. On adding 1 to 9,999, we get 10,000. We read it as 10,000. 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number. To write a 5-digit number, we take the next place value on left of thousands called 10,000s. 5-digit numbers. These numbers after 10,000 can be obtained by adding 1. For example, 10,000 plus 1 is equal to 10,001. 10,001 plus 1 is equal to 10,002. 10,002 plus 1 is equal to 10,003. 10,999 plus 1 is equal to 11,000. 19,999 plus 1 is equal to 20,000. 40,000 plus 1 is equal to 40,001. 99,998 plus 1 is equal to 99,999. The greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. Expanded form of 5-digit numbers. For a cricket match, 62,784 tickets were sold. Let us see how we can write this 5-digit number in its expanded form. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. 8 into 10 is equal to 80. 7 into 100 is equal to 700. 2 into 1000 is equal to 2000. 6 into 10,000 is equal to 60,000. The expanded form of 62,784 is 60,000 plus 2,000 plus 700 plus 80 plus 4. Now show this number on the abacus. 6 in 10,000s place. 2 in thousands place. 7 in hundreds place. 8 in tens place. And 4 in ones place. 6-digit numbers. We know that 99,999 is the greatest 5-digit number. Now, let us see what number we get by adding 1 to it. On adding 1 to 99,999, we get 1 lakh. We read it as 1 lakh. 1 lakh is the smallest 6-digit number. To write a 6-digit number, we take the next place value on left of 10,000s called lakhs. These numbers after 1 lakh can be obtained by adding 1. For example, 1 lakh plus 1 is equal to 1 lakh and 1. 1 lakh and 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 lakh and 2. 1,99,999 plus 1 is equal to 2 lakhs. 4,99,999 plus 1 is equal to 5 lakhs. 8 lakhs and 1 plus 1 is equal to 8 lakhs and 2. 9,99,998 plus 1 is equal to 9,99,999. The greatest 6-digit number is 9,99,999. Expanded form of 6-digit numbers. The cost of a car is 2,34,690. Let us see how we can write this 6-digit number in its expanded form. 0 into 1 is equal to 0. 9 into 10 is equal to 90. 6 into 100 is equal to 600. 4 into 10,000 is equal to 4,000. 3 into 10,000 is equal to 30,000. 2 into 1 lakh is equal to 2 lakhs. The expanded form of 2,34,690 is 2 lakhs plus 30,000 plus 4,000 plus 600 plus 90 plus 0. Think and solve. Do you know how to use the larger numbers? Given below represents some larger numbers. Find the following with the help of your teacher or parents. Place value chart. Now, we know the place values from ones to lakhs. To read and write the large numbers more easily, these place values are separated into groups called periods. This is the place value chart. It shows 3 periods. The ones period has 3 places: hundreds, tens, and ones. The thousands period has 2 places: 10,000s and thousands. The lakhs period has 2 places: lakhs and 10 lakhs. Here, one place out of these 2 places is shown. To read and write a large number easily, we use commas to separate the periods. For example, let us take the number 3,45,218 given above. To write its number name, consider the following. It is a 6-digit number. So first place value from the left will be lakhs. By using commas between the periods in this number, we get 3,45,218. Hence, the number name will be 3,45,218. To find the place values of the digits in this number, we have the following. 8 into 1 is equal to 8. 1 into 10 is equal to 10. 2 into 100 is equal to 200. 5 into 1000 is equal to 5000. 4 into 10,000 is equal to 40,000. 3 into 1 lakh is equal to 3 lakhs. To write the expanded form, we add the place values starting from the highest. 3,45,218 is equal to 3 lakhs plus 40,000 plus 5,000 plus 200 plus 10 plus 8. Let's do A. 62,317. Number with commas. 62,317. Expanded form 62,317 is equal to 60,000 plus 2,000 plus 300 plus 10 plus 7. Number name is 62,317. B. 5,40,987. Number with commas. 5,40,987. Expanded form 5,40,987 is equal to 5 lakhs plus 40,000 plus 900 plus 80 plus 7. Number name is 5,40,987. Comparing numbers. To compare large numbers, let us read these examples. Example 1. Mango Grove A. Product is equal to 84,629 mangoes. Mango Grove B. Product is equal to 1,19,425 mangoes. Comparing 84,629 and 1,19,425, we observe that 84,629 has 5 digits and 1,19,425 has 6 digits. The number with greater number of digits is greater. 1,19,425 is greater than 84,629, or 84,629 is less than 1,19,425. Example 2. Village A. Population is 2,65,328. Village B. Population is 2,64,495. Comparing 2,65,328 and 2,64,985. We observe that number of digits in both is the same. Hence, we start comparing the digits with the same place values in both numbers, starting from the highest place value, lakhs. 2,65,328 and 2,64,985. Digits in lakhs place 2 is equal to 2. Digits in 10,000s place 6 is equal to 6. Digits in thousands place 5 is greater than 4. 2,65,328 is greater than 2,64,985, or 2,64,985 is less than 265,3281. When the number of digits is equal, numbers are compared by comparing place values starting from the highest place value. Ascending and descending orders. To compare more than two numbers, we arrange them in ascending, smallest to greatest, order, or descending, greatest to smallest, order. Example 1. Arrange the numbers 4,263, 48,947, 6,389, 5,08,423 in ascending order and descending order. Solution. We have 4,263 is 4 digits. 48,947 is 5 digits. 6,389 is 4 digits. 5,08,423 is 6 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 digits. 5,08,423 is Comparing 4,263 and 6,389. 4-digit each. In thousands place, 4 is less than 6. 4,263 is less than 6,389. Hence, the ascending order of these numbers is 4,263, 6,389, 48,947, 5,08,423, or 4,263 is less than 6,389, is less than 48,947, is less than 5,08,423. Since the descending order is opposite of ascending, it will be 5,08,423, 48,947, 6,389, 4,263, or 5,08,423 is greater than 48,947, is greater than 6,389, is greater than 4,263. Example 2. Circle the smaller number in each pair of top and bottom numbers and arrange them in ascending order and descending order. 2,645, 3,064, 6,258, 1,085, 40,526, 59,978, 7,87,042, 62,054, 32,768, 89,241. Solution. We have 2,645, 1,085, 40,526, 62,054, 32,768. Ascending order. 1,085 is less than 2,645, is less than 32,768, is less than 40,526, is less than 62,054. Descending order. 62,054 is greater than 40,526, is greater than 32,768, is greater than 2,645, is greater than 1,085. Forming numbers. Rohit made these 5 number cards. 7, 9, 2, 6, 3. He made the greatest possible number with these digits by arranging the cards like this. In which order did he arrange the digits? Descending order. 9, 7, 6, 3, 2. To make the smallest possible number, he arranged the cards like this. In which order did he arrange the digits? Ascending order. 2, 3, 6, 7, 9. To form the greatest number with given digits, we arrange them in descending order. To form the smallest number with given digits, we arrange them in ascending order. Use of 0, 0 in forming numbers. 0 cannot be placed at the leftmost place, that is, at the place of highest place value. 0 is placed just after the leftmost place to form the smallest number. 0 is placed at the lowest place value, that is, at the ones place to form the greatest number. For example, using the digits 4, 5, 0, 3, 8, 1. Greatest number 8, 5, 4, 3, 1, 0. Smallest number 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, 8. Incorrect. 1, 0, 3, 4, 5, 8. Correct. Forming numbers by repeating digits. Numbers may also be formed by repeating some digits. Example 1. Use 1, 6, 7 to form the greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers. Repeat greatest digit. Solution. Greatest number 7, 7, 6, 1. Smallest number 1, 1, 6, 7. Since 7 is the greatest digit, we have 2 sevens. Since 1 is the smallest digit, we have 2 ones. Example 2. Use 2, 3, 8 to form the greatest and smallest 5-digit numbers. Repeat the required digits. Solution. Greatest number 8, 8, 8, 3, 2. Smallest number 2, 2, 2, 3, 8. The greatest digit 8 is repeated 3 times to get the greatest number, and the smallest digit 2 is repeated 3 times to get the smallest number. Forming numbers using different digits. Example 3. Form the smallest 5-digit number using different digits. Solution. The first 5 smallest digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Smallest 5-digit number using them will be 1, 0, 2, 3, 4. Rounding off numbers. Numbers are rounded off to get a nearest number ending with 0, 0. Rounding numbers makes understanding and calculation of large numbers easier. Numbers may be rounded to the nearest 10, 100 or 1000. Rounding off to the nearest 10. First method. Think of the two nearest tens of the given number, one before it and other after it. Determine the number which lies exactly at the halfway mark. If the given number is the number at halfway mark or after it, round off to the nearest 10 after it. If the given number is before the number at halfway mark, round off to the nearest 10 before it. For example, let us round off 972 to the nearest 10. The nearest 10 before 972 is 970 and that after 972 is 980. Also, 975 is the exactly halfway mark between 970 and 980. Now, it is very easy to say that 972 is before the halfway mark. This means that 972 is closer to 970. Hence, 970 to round off to the nearest 10 is 970. Note that the numbers 971, 972, 973 and 974 will all be rounded off to the nearest 10 970, while 975, 976, 977, 978 and 979 will all be rounded off to the nearest 10 980. Second method. If the ones digit of the given number is less than 5, change the ones digit to 0 and keep the remaining digits unchanged. If the ones digit of the given number is 5 or more than 5, add 1 to the tens digit and make the ones digit 0. Keep the remaining digits, if any, of the given number unchanged. For example, let us round off 972 to the nearest 10. Since the ones digit 2 is less than 5, change it to 0 and keep the tens digit 7 and hundreds digit 9 unchanged. Hence, 970 to rounded off to the nearest 10 is 970. Rounding off to the nearest 100. First method. Think of the two nearest hundreds of the given number, one precedes and other succeeds it. Determine the number which exactly lies at the halfway mark. If the given number is the number at halfway mark or after it, round off to the nearest hundred after it. If the given number is before the number at halfway mark, round off to the nearest hundred before it. For example, let us round off 972 to the nearest hundred. 900 is the nearest hundred before 972 and 1000 is the nearest hundred after 972. So, 950 is exactly at the halfway mark between 900 and 1000. Obviously, 972 is after the halfway mark and closer to 1000. Hence, 970 to round off to the nearest hundred is 1000. Second method. If the tens digit of the given number is less than 5, just change the both tens and ones digits to 0 and keep the remaining digits unchanged. If the tens digit of the given number is 5 or more than 5, add 1 to the hundreds digit and change the both tens and ones digits to 0. Keep the remaining digits unchanged. For example, let us round off 972 to the nearest hundred. Since the tens digit 7 is greater than 5, add 1 to the hundreds digit 9 to get 10. Change the both tens digit 7 and ones digit to 20. Hence, 970 to rounded off to the nearest hundred is 1000. Rounding off to the nearest thousand first method. Think of the two nearest thousands of the given number, one precedes and other succeeds it. Determine the number which exactly lies at the halfway mark. If the given number is the number at halfway mark or after it, round off to the nearest thousand after it. If the given number is before the number at halfway mark, round off to the nearest thousand before it. For example, let us round off 7509 to the nearest thousand. The two nearest thousands around 7509 are 7000 and 8000. Also, 7500 is exactly at the halfway mark between 7000 and 8000. Then, 7509 is after the halfway mark and hence closer to 8000. Hence, 7509 rounded off to the nearest thousand is 8000. Second method. If the hundreds digit is less than 5, just change the hundreds, tens and ones digits to 0 and keep the remaining digits unchanged. If the hundreds digit is 5 or greater than 5, add 1 to the thousands digit and change the hundreds, tens and ones digits to 0. Keep the remaining digits unchanged, if any. For example, let us round off 8590 to the nearest thousand. Since the hundreds digit is 5, add 1 to the thousands digit 8 to get 9 and change the hundreds, tens and ones digits to 0. Hence, 8590 rounded off to the nearest thousand is 9000. Roman numerals. Rome was a great ancient civilization. Romans used 7 symbols to write and form numbers. Roman numerals. Hindu, Arabic numerals. I. 1. We. 5. X. 10. L. 50. C. 100. D. 500. M or K. 1000. One. A symbol written after a greater symbol means addition. For example, I is equal to 5 plus 1 equals 6. X is equal to 100 plus 50 plus 10 equals 160. 2. A symbol written before a greater symbol means subtraction. For example, X is equal to 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. D is equal to 500 minus 100 is equal to 400. 3. Symbols can be repeated a maximum of 3 times. For example, I is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. X is equal to 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 30. 4. Smaller symbol combinations are placed after greater symbols. For example, 78 is equal to 70 plus 8 is equal to LX, X plus I is equal to LX, X, I. 156 is equal to 100 plus 50 plus 6 is equal to I. Other rules. I is subtracted from V and X only. V is never subtracted or repeated. Lab activity. Objective: to build 5 and 6-digit numbers. Materials required: colored beads in 6 different colors, chart paper strips, 1 inch times 7 inches, colored pens. Procedure: 1. Make groups of 4 students each. Distribute a few beads of each color and 1 paper strip to each group. 2. Write the place value shown by each color of the beads on the blackboard. For example, yellow, ones, red, tens, etc. 3. Ask the students of each group to draw the place value chart on their paper strip. 4. Write 5 and 6-digit numbers on the blackboard one after the other. Ask remaining two students of each group to place the required number of correct colored beads on the place value chart to build either of the numbers correctly. 5. Ask the students to record these numbers in their activity notebooks and write their expanded forms and number names. The 6-digit number shown here is 2,62,341.